Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the continuous episode of this series Python Beginner to Master. So guys, till now we have completed 8 episode of this series and today in the ninth episode I am going to describe Python data structure. So let's start. So the first question comes in our mind is what is the data structure and why need these structures? So this is the very simple question might come in everyone's mind. So why we need the structures of data? So the structures of data is required when you want to manipulate it in a future in a very easy way. So let's suppose you have some data and you want to add some data in that and you want to delete some data and you want to append new data there and if you want to update the existing data. So this kind of manipulation basically we want in a future. So that manipulation can be done easily if those data are stored in a proper structure. So to provide this facility in the Python, there are separate data structures available. So those we are going to look one by one here. So as I have mentioned here, like in our daily everyday routine, there are lots of data we manage, like the bill of things bought from the grocery and shops and WhatsApp text with your contact, etc. So what we do in the programming? So in the programming for that, there are different data structures which are available in all the programming languages as well. But especially in the data in the Python, there are some special data structure. Those we are going to understand here. So the first question being asked by the interviewer is what is the data structure? What you mean by that? So that time you have to give the specific and you can say the concise definition. Then only your answer will be justifiable. So the guys, this one is the data structure definition you can see. So this is the in the concise way you can see here. So data structures are the organizers. What these are? These are the organizations. So you have to understand here, these are the organizers and stores of the data in an efficient manner so that they can be modified and accessed in the future. So this is the concise definition for this data structure. So why we need the data structure? Just to organize it and store so that we can manage it efficiently in the future. So this is the main objective of the data structure. So in the Python, there are basically two type of the data structure. Those we are going to understand. So in the Python, there are basically two types of data structure you can see here. So these two are nothing but you can say the built-in data structure and another one is the Python user-defined data structure. So we can define our own structure as well, but there are some built-in data structure. So this point you have to understand like what are the built-in data structures available in the Python. So these are nothing but the four things you can see here. The first one is a list and another one is the sets and the tuples and dictionaries. So these all are having their own benefits and their own structure, their own syntax. So those we are going to learn in this one by one by practically. But for now, just keep this point like there are four predefined or you can say built-in data structure. These are the list, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. So on top of these four built-in data structures, however, we can define our own data structures. So those data structure which are built on the top of the built-in data structure is called as the user-defined data structure. So here in this line you can see this is the another classification of the Python data structure. Though this is nothing but the user-defined data structures. So what these are? So these are nothing but the use defined by the users by the use of existing built-in data structure. So this is what I have mentioned here. You can see these data structures are the ones built using the built-in data structure and have their own properties. So based on these features, these are used in the suitable situations. So as per the need of the program or you can say the project, we can use the different data structure there. But you have to make sure you have to keep this remember like only four data structures are the built-in data structure and rest are the user-defined data structures which are created on the top of built-in data structure. So here you can see we have different type of built-in data structure. The first one is stacks. So here we are going to understand what is stack and how to use it that and queue. queues are there, and linked list are there, hash map, and trees and graphs. So these are the different, you can say, user defined data structures in the Python. If you guys are belonging from the engineering background, so definitely you have already heard this about this sentence, like what these user defined structures are, because we all know, we all study this in our computer science engineering. And if you are from the computer science background, so this is not new for you guys. So till now we have understood like what this data structure, and how many types of the data structure. So basically we can say two types of data structures are, so built-in data structure are list, sets, and tuples and dictionary, and the user-defined data structures are nothing but the stack, queues, linked list, hash map, and trees and graphs. So for this episode, this much guys, and in the next episode, I am going to describe you each data structure in a very brief way. So for every data structure, I am going to create the new episode so that the video length will be very short and you will enjoy lots by learning it in a quick way. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and if you are the new, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, so don't forget to ask in the comment section. We love to reply you in the comment. So we are, your suggestions and your questions are welcome there. So don't forget to comment there in the comment box. Thank you guys. Thank you lot.